guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm in the car right now.
I know this.
I said don't talk.
Oh, you're not my mom.
Okay, forget about that. So I'm going to be showing you my new fidget. Fidget! I don't know why I just screamed. I see my mom. Okay, never mind. Okay, so the first thing is this bracelet. Pop it bracelet. And if you do one, this on the other side. And that's really fun to play with. But it doesn't really fit me, but I don't care. And then the next thing is this simple dimple. Well, you can call it a pop-it or you can call it a simple dimple. I call it a simple dimple because there's only two pops like a simple dimple. So I need help. Okay, so there's two pops and it's unicorn and he's black. So I got this at like, I don't know. It was like 3 hours ago, I think. Okay, this is the third one, the last one. This pine chain puppet. Both of the sides are pretty easy. So like, see, this is the hard side, but it's easy to pop. And this is the easy side. Yay, girl. Okay. Anyway.
Please hurry up.
Boy, what did you have to... Okay. Just gotta forget it. Okay. So, anyway, ciao, bye. Subscribe. Hit that thumbs up video.
It's opposite day now.
No, it's not.
Yep.
Opposite day is in like
opposite day is
Jaden.
Is your fans see the video.
Jaden. Opposite day
is when your fans see the video. Exactly.
Opposite day is in a week.
We're live today, so they should unsubscribe, turn off the bell button, and definitely.
That means they do it to your channel too.
I'm talking about yours.
No. If it's opposite day, they do it on yours and mine and everyone else's. So, just made up.
Wow, what a smart egg.
Okay, so subscribe, hit that thumbs up button and the bell button.
Do the opposite of that. Hit me again.
Didn't hit you. I should really stop. I need help. I'm going.
You need a lot of help. Mentally and physically.
I need my apple slice.
Especially.
Okay, bye.
You need help.
But before I go, I'm gonna show you one of my apple slices. It's burning up. This is one of my apple slices, and it's burning up because it's really hot outside. Bye.